Sadie, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, I know. Hence you can see how much my hair grew. But I didn't really know what to film about because I didn't do anything due to COVID. But today it's my friend's birthday and we're going hiking, which I don't know if it's such a good idea because I never hiked before, but we're gonna go hiking. Since I have never been hiking, but I know that I'm not gonna wear any makeup. Well, I'm gonna put on some sunscreen. Can you see where I put? Yeah, you can. Do you put it on your eyelids too? I have no idea. I've been really busy actually. I've been working and I barely had time to meet my friends. So today is kind of an exciting day, I guess. And I tried to film a lot of videos. 영상을 몇 개 찍으려 했는데 they all turned out shit. 다 너무 별로였어요. My film in my face is getting red. And now we're going to put on some tone-up cream. I'm not going to put up any makeup because first, I never really put on makeup at all nowadays because of COVID. I don't want to wear makeup, like full face foundation, but I still want my skin tone to be quite even. So I'm just gonna put on a bit. It looks like a lot. Now I'm gonna rub it into my skin. It's gonna change into my skin color or something, I hope, because I look ridiculous. Okay, do you guys remember Pudge? He's all grown up now. He's 1 year old. I'm not sure what I'm doing by now. I don't think it looks good. Okay, but we're gonna roll with it because I don't have time to like rewash my face. Then the next thing I'm gonna do are brows. If I can find my spoolie. Or maybe not. Where is my spoolie? I can't find my spoolie. Ah, found it. So first we're going to brush out the brows. I need to pluck them. They're way too unplucked. What are you doing? How I do my brows nowadays is that I don't really pluck them unless they really need to be plucked. I just leave it like this. And I go in and fill in the sparse parts like so, if that even makes a difference. See, I really go for like a natural kind of vibe now. I don't really go in for like full-on makeup, glam. Ow! Literally just poked my eye. Would this be okay? Would that be okay? Is it a bit too dark? I have no idea. And then we go into the spoolie again. We blend it out. And then the magic happens with the spoolie and this hairspray. I spray my spoolie, let it get a bit tacky, and then you brush through them so that they stay in place. I'm gonna be using Dior Lip Glow, a sheer tint. See? Pretty! 지금 등산을 포기하고 안 사. 등산 포기하고
하이버에 가고 있으며 빵 투어. 등산 대신 빵 투어. 완전 극과 극이다.
귀여워.
봐봐. 아니 사진.
같은 캐논이야 우리.
아 귀여워 진짜.
집 도착. 너무 힘들어. 진짜 너무 힘들어.
각자 좀 쉬자.
그러니까 좀 쉬자 좀. 너무 힘들어 씨.
주머니에 거기서
집 좋지.
이제 빨리빨리 이제
넓다 엄청.
혼자 살기 넓지.
좋다 근데.
혼자 살기는 진짜 딱 좋아.
신아. 내가 갔으면 된다.
언제까지는 달라.
미몬아.
아니
계속해달래. 아야 발 아프다.
계속해.
발 아프다.
계속해. 계속해. 미몬이
가요.
카메라 보러 간다.
즐길 거 다 즐기고 가요.
야 너무 귀여워. 뭔지 궁금해. 개웃겨. 너무 웃긴데 시진아?
너 이거 보이냐?
보여. 너무 뚱뚱해.
그러니까 왜 이렇게 뚱뚱하게 나오냐?
안 돼. 미몬 가?
팔쪘어.
미몬 가는 거야? 갈 거야.
지수랑 나랑은 곁드는 식으로만 먹을게 이따가.
좀 먹는 뒷해봐. 지수야 맛있어?
귀여워.
봐봐. 맥주 마시니까 얼굴 빨개지는 것 같다.
너무 웃긴다.
야, 나 껐다 폈어.
또 휘핑 친 거지.
진짜 미쳤다 이거.
이걸 우리한테 보게 해도 되냐?
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 남지수